So these are the ingredients I'm going to use. We have some eggs, we have sugar, we have milk, we have some oil, vegetable cooking oil, then we have baking powder, and we have the flour. I have already dusted my pan, and yeah, it's as simple as those. These things are readily available. And then we have the vanilla essence, and I'm going to use the yellow food color, the yellow one, you can see. So it's quite simple. We are going to go step by step. So for my dusting, I have used the vegetable oil and sprinkled some flour. So like oil, some you may opt to use butter or butter, but for me I have used vegetable oil because it is used by almost everyone, so it is readily available and it's easy to get. So let's go on with the preparation of our batter. Adding the egg white. Some may opt to put them in a bowl, in a different bowl first, and I prefer cleaning the eggs first because you might find yourself that some shells may fall in the bowl, and you'll have to remove them first. So when you do like this, you can use the easiest way that you can. So this is how our egg white is looking like. You can decide to put more or whisk it more than this, but at this point I will add the yolks now. I have also whisked the yolks and made this mixture. From this point, at this point I will add my sugar. So this is eggs and sugar mixture, and then I will add my oil, and then I will add my milk. It's actually half cup. So I'll start all of them. So at this point I like adding my vanilla essence, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, then add my flour and baking powder. Each a tablespoon of baking powder will do. So I usually prefer to sieve my flour. So this is the mixture of baking powder and flour. I want to sieve it to get that fine and smooth flour that I will add to my mixture. So this is the tool I usually use. It's a siever down. So let's do it. So you say if you have something like this, you can use it, or if you have the steel siever, you can use that. It depends with what you want to use. Yeah. So guys, this is how it's going on. You can see how our batter is. For me, I prefer to use a wooden stick, or if you have something else to stir, is okay, because when you use the whisker that we had before, it will keep on sticking. So I use a wooden stick. In short, a kamwiko, a small one, maybe. If you have another option, you can use it. Be free. So ensure when you're stirring your cake, you use one direction and then cut at the center. One direction, then cut at the center. This allows some bubbles to come in and here. So at this point we can put our color, and see, I said mine is yellow, so that is what I'm going to use. So this is our mixture, but after I've added my color, so the color is optional. If someone decide to use can use a different color, but for me I've used yellow. You will see the result. So this is our butter, guys, and I'm going to put it in a preheated oven, and we see how it looks like after that. So guys, we have just a few minutes, like 5 minutes, and we will be done with our cake, and put it here on this tray, just in a few. And so here is our cake, and it is super spongy. And so you just allow it to cool down, and there you have a cake. You can use it for breakfast, you can share with friends. Yeah, that's so easy. And someone was asking how many minutes you have to do this. You'll just bake it within 45 to 1 hour, and you'll have your cake.